So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then utilize bullet points inside of body text as needed. So to do that, I can go around over here onto the text tool right here. And here you can see that body text is an option. So let me just go ahead and insert it. And over here, what I'm going to do now is, let's say, for example, say types of cameras right here, just like this. And I'm going to press enter and say SLR. And then I'm going to go around and say prosumer right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say point and shoot right here, just like this. So now I want these three items as points. Let's say, for example, so in order to actually add in dots to it, that is make it a bullet point, you can simply select it out right here. And on the top, you get the text editing area right here as you select it. So you can go ahead and add in bullet point right here. And that is what you have. You also have different sort of bullet list, as you can see right here. So I can press enter right here and tab again to actually add in a subcategory as well. For example, for SLR, I'm going to say SLR right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say traditional SLR right here, just like this. Similarly, I can go for prosumer, point and shoot right here, just like this as well. But if you want numbers instead of points right here, then you can also go for numbered lists right here, just like this. And there's different sort of numbered list that you can select from, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and select out, let's say, this one as well. You can go ahead and select only these points right here, and then go ahead and select a different number style for that as well, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So let's just go around onto bullet points, and this is what you have. Press tab to go one step further as well, so you can have sub points as well. And you can also indent it backward right here, or backward right here, just like this as well. And then if you want to actually bring this inward and go one step more in indent, you can press this one or tab on your keyboard right here, and then you can see that you can go ahead and change the hierarchy of the points that you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and create bullet points with body text that you have inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.